you just set up another meeting with the people that were talking, get some more information out of them, and set up a meeting with the people that were not as talkative, because now you're going to have to act like you're in the first 48. You're going to have to ask a lot of questions. You like that first 48? Anyway, I digress. So anyway, moving on to point number four. Point number four is really around rebuilding confidence. You're going to need this, family. You just went through a lot, and I know to some people that doesn't seem like it's a lot, but if you've never failed at anything, especially in your career, you may take this personally, and you should. You should take it personally, but you shouldn't take it personally that you're going to continue to lay there and continue to sit there and continue to stay there. Because if you're going to continue to sit there and lay there, then this probably profession is not for you, because you're going to have to bounce back. Oh, I got something for you, family. I was just thinking about this as I was describing the point. When I was little, there used to be this ball, this little thing where basically at the bottom of it was a weight, right? And then I would sit on the thing, and then when I got up, it would pop back up. Every time I sat on it, it would stay there. But anytime I got up, it would pop back up. And you could punch it and hit it, and it'll go back and it'll pop back up. I don't. You could kick the thing.